Hey, what's going on? It's Jonnie Grooms, and today I have an unboxing of a kit that I was told about, but didn't believe it existed. Then I did the search on Amazon, found it, bought it because I saw it as it being one of the most complete starter beard kits on Amazon. That's pretty decently priced. So, what do I got for you today? I got the Viking Revolution UFC Ultimate Limited Edition Beard Care Kit. What I'm going to do is bring the camera down, unbox this huge beard kit that contains pretty much everything you need to take care of your beard, and then bring it back up for my final thoughts. So let's flip it. So here is the UFC Viking Revolution Beard Kit. Don't mind the ring light. There is a plastic film on this that is going to be very reflective. So let's get that off real quick. And it is a UFC licensed product. That's why you have the hologram on there. So here is the top of the box there. You got some UFC fighters there. Everything the kit includes right there. You got the side of the box is UFC, so the other side of the box. And here's everything that's inside the box. You can take a freeze frame of that and read it at your leisure, but we will be going over everything in it, so you don't really need to do that. There's the other side. And limited edition beard care kit. I almost don't want to open it because it says limited edition, although I don't think beard care products will be a collectible item in the future. So let's get this open. There we go, more plastic. It comes in a very nice octagon-shaped tin. You can hear that it is a tin. All right, let's get that open. But before we get it open, let's take a good look at it. There you go, same guys in the front. And on the back, you have everything inside. Hands, there you go. A little note from Viking Beard Care. So put a lot of thought into choosing this best products for this limited edition beard care kit. For any reasons this kit does not meet your expectations, please contact us and we will make it right immediately. Very nice. Got some padding here. Very cool. A little pamphlet on how to use their straight edge razor. Very nice. Little silica gel packet. If you get this in any of your products, whether it be beard products or not, do not eat it. You will die. So here we go. We're going to start with, here is the beard growth conditioner. There's the front. There's the back. There's your ingredients. You know what to do with that. Here's your beard growth shampoo. Here's the front. There's the back. You know what to do with that. Say it with me now. Here is the UFC / Viking Revolution straight edge razor. Nice lightweight, not flimsy. That doesn't fly around. Opens up like that. Like this opens up like this, and then pull up and back, and it unfolds. You will put your razor right here on the top and close it down. And this one kind of is very stiff, very snappy. I like that because the one I have is very, very flimsy and loose. So I think I'm going to like this one a lot. So let's put this to the side. It comes with 10-pack of single edge blades. So you don't have to take a double-edged blade and snap it in half. They are conveniently single edge that will go with that razor. We have a nice boar bristle brush, very soft in the octagon shape. Digging that, I like that. At the Viking Revolution heavy beard balm, unscented, in a 1-ounce tin. I would need a magnifying lens to pick up all those ingredients. They're way too small to read, so we'll put that off to the side. The Viking Revolution UFC beard oil. There are your ingredients. You can take a freeze frame of that and read it at your leisure. This is unscented. Got some directions on the side there. See what else we got in here. Let's take this foam out right here. Oh, not in their slots. Look at that. They were just thrown there haphazardly. You got a beard shaping tool with some teeth here. Let's get some audio on that. Pretty decent audio. I think this is like more of a mustache comb kind of deal. I don't know. I don't usually use these kinds of tools, but it came in the kit. So, and here it is, the Viking Revolution UFC beard comb. Something compels me to try and snap this, but I'm not gonna. Let's see, we got some decent audio here in the teeth. Yeah, I like that. Okay, let's see if anything else underneath this foam. No, that's another insert. Let's see, anything else in here? Nope, nope. Let's see. Oh, more foam. Okay, so that's everything that comes in the UFC Viking Revolution collab kit. Let's bring it back up for my final thoughts. Okay, so that was one of the biggest unboxings I've ever done on the channel. Just because the sheer size of this kit that has pretty much everything you need to take care of your beard in there. I'm definitely going to try out the beard washes. I'm definitely going to try the beard wash and the beard conditioner. They're labeling it as beard growth items, and I did check the ingredients. There is biotin in here, so let's see how much fuller this makes my beard. And I really, really do like the razor. I really enjoy this razor. It's very, very, it's very sturdy. It's not flimsy at all. Here's one that I have that I've been using, and it's kind of flimsy, very loose, you know. And this is not like that at all. It's very stiff. And the whole locking mechanism for this is very tight. It doesn't look like it's going to be splitting in my hand as I try to use it. It's very snappy, if you can hear it. So this may be my everyday straight razor going forward. Definitely like the comb. Of course. The only thing I don't like is having unscented beard products. I really enjoy my scents, and when I purchase beard products, fragrance is a very big thing, a key factor that I look for in my beard products, and getting unscented, I just don't, I don't really enjoy that. But other than that, it's a pretty solid kit. It has everything you need to get started. I'm looking forward to using some of the tools, and definitely the beard wash and conditioner. And I truly do dig the octagon tin. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it or where I'm gonna put it, but I have it. So I'm gonna put a lot of stuff in here. So that'll be it for my unboxing of the limited edition UFC/Viking Revolution Ultimate Beard Care Kit plus Supreme final level, final form, all you need, all in one beard kit. Remember to take care of yourself and each other. Later.